This is the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 wireless headset with USB receiver and noise cancelling microphone. But first, let's go unbox. When you look around the packaging of the Logitech Zone Vibe 125, you see general information about the headset, what it can do, and the four top features you want to think about the headset. But now let's actually go open up the box and see what comes in the packaging of the Logitech Zone Vibe 125. After prying the nylon wrap open, and then we lift the flap, and right off the bat, we see on the box general information on how to set the headset up for yourself. But hey, let's ignore that for a moment and let's just go see our new baby. You get greeted with a manual, which is a nice one to have. But of course, that is the beauty itself, the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 headset. It is nice, it's beautiful, and it's handy. It is lightweight, it's made of plastic, but of course, it doesn't feel cheap the way it looks. It is beautiful and it is just so nice. Around the headset, you see simple controls that make it easy to navigate. It charges via USB-C with the cable that comes along with it. We'll see that in a bit. And that is the noise cancelling microphone that actually makes your meeting very, very nice and clear and crisp. And then, still further on in the box, we see when we slide that open, we see the USB-C cable for charging, and then the USB-C to USB-A adapter for connecting to your USB-C devices directly using the dongle. And then we see a carrying case which you use, of course, if you're on the move. It's made for mobile, it's made for mobility. So that carrying case just makes your life very, very easy using the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 headset. Let's actually go do some audio tests of the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 and see what it really sounds like. Of course, you've been listening to it all this while. I just didn't tell you. All the audio is recorded here. Hello, how you doing? My name is Tara, and this is testing the audio features of the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 headset. So I'm speaking into it now, and it really picks up audio around me. But when I do this, and as soon as I put it on, I get my audio experience again. Of course, I need to adjust it to sort of fit my head style to ensure I capture the best kind of audio experience that I need to have for myself. But generally, that's what it's gonna feel like. And then it comes to light indicators that show you when you're mute and when you're actually audible, which is a very nice feature to have. So this is me in a meeting recording my audio and seeing what it feels like now. There's construction work going on around the house, literally outside my window right now. But let's see what the other experience feels like, even when I have all those noise coming up. So this is what it feels like when I'm in a meeting view. I'm recording this, so this is literally the meeting I'm recording for your sake, just for the purpose of this video. And of course, this is how people would see me in a meeting, and this is how they would hear me. Because, well, that's how I speak in meetings. I don't just I'll project my voice, and I hope it's clear enough for my meetings and stuff. And of course, one thing is I'm also paired with my phone right here, so I can literally pick my phone calls using the little bitty button at the back of the headset right here. Right, so this is what the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 headset sounds like when I'm out and about, and probably I'm joining my meetings from the road. I'm just in my neighborhood trying to go get something from the corner shop. How does the sound, and how do you make out of that? My very first impressions of the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 is I really love it. At about £109 at the time of recording this video, it is definitely a good bang for your buck. It looks clean, beautiful, and crisp. My colleagues have been saying my audio sounds way clearer, and they actually like the flip to mute feature of the Logitech Zone Vibe 125 headset. The comments so far have been amazing, and I've been using this every day as my daily driver headset for my phone and my work meetings and everything. The audio is crisper. I want you to know this, all the audio in this video I have done no editing whatsoever to it. So I really, really love it. And that is my very first impression of a Logitech Zone Vibe 125. I've dropped a link to purchases in the video description and also as a pinned comment. So be sure to check it out. And of course, like this video and subscribe to my channel and share with friends and family. Until I come your way again with another video on my YouTube channel, I say stay safe and goodbye. Enjoy your headset.